What are key survival skills in bad weather? When you are hiking with children and families, knowing how to handle bad weather is essential for a safe and enjoyable experience. So, what are the key survival skills you need to know? First, when the weather takes a turn for the worse, it is important to stop and evaluate the situation. Take a moment to assess your surroundings, how far you are from safety, and the time of day. Rushing through worsening conditions can increase risk. If a storm is approaching or darkness is near, it is often safer to stop and prepare to wait it out rather than continue hiking. Next, finding or setting up shelter quickly is critical. Protecting yourself from wind, rain, snow, or cold can make a big difference. If you have an emergency bivy sack, tent, or tarp, set it up right away. Staying dry and sheltered helps prevent hypothermia and frostbite. If you do not have gear, look for natural shelters like dense trees or rock overhangs. In snowy conditions, you can even dig a snow cave. Dressing appropriately is another key skill. Wearing moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid-layers, and waterproof outer layers helps keep you dry and regulate body temperature. Avoid sweating too much, as wet clothing loses its insulating properties. Pay special attention to your hands, feet, and head by using gloves, warm socks, and hats. Staying warm and dry is vital. Hypothermia can be a serious threat in cold, wet, or windy weather. Keep your fingers and toes moving to maintain circulation. Use insulation like sleeping pads or extra clothing to avoid contact with the cold ground. Boiling water for warm drinks can help maintain your core temperature and boost morale. Monitoring the weather is also important. Always check the forecast before you head out and keep an eye on changes while hiking. If conditions worsen beyond what you can safely handle, be ready to stop hiking and make camp early. Recognizing your limits, especially with children, is essential. Maintaining mental focus and staying calm can help you make better decisions. Engage in small tasks like organizing gear or preparing shelter to stay mentally active and avoid panic. Lastly, plan for emergency situations by carrying basic survival gear such as a map, compass, whistle, fire starting tools, and extra food and water. Knowing how to signal for help and having a communication plan is especially important when hiking with family. By applying these skills, you can ensure safety and enjoyment during your hiking trips, even when the weather turns unfavorable. Teaching children these basics in a fun and age-appropriate way encourages confidence and preparedness in the outdoors.